Health Source 10 tonight with a way for you to get cancer questions answered all evening long. Specialists from the James Cancer Hospital have been in our studio answering your questions, and joining me tonight to talk a little bit more about the program is Clinical Director of Survivorship, Dori Klemanski. Dori, thanks for being here, and thank you for everybody being here.
Thank you.
What are some of the most common questions coming in?
So we had a wide variety of calls, anything from what do you recommend as a treatment, which is a little difficult to answer over the phone, but to a lot of psychosocial questions. How do I help with my finances? How can I help get certain treatments paid for? What other resources do you have? Do you have help for my caregiver? Do you have help for my mother? Things like that.
How important is it to open a line of communication?
Oh, it's incredibly important to have a really good communication amongst the family, the patient, and the care providers. Certainly, we know that cancer is so much more than a physical disease, and it affects, the psychosocial, the emotional components, and so it's incredibly important for there to be an excellent line of communication amongst the provider and the family and patient, so that we can help them in many aspects of their cancer treatment.
Well, it becomes a support source, right?
Oh, it's so important for them to have not just the family as supportive, but us to help them guide them to the right resources that we have at the James.
All right, Dori Klemanski, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it, and we will be here continuing to take your calls. Jerry.